Yeah, like 3 feet off. All right, at least I'm on the board.
Right, Ron's on.
Finally.
Breaking the ice.
All right, first fish in the Delaware.
Ron's on again. Nice.
Get away from the boat.
I just saw that there was another one with him. I just seen him swimming by him.
All right, tire him out a little. All right, now things are heating up. I'll take it. Bad for a beginner. There you go. Thank you. Thank you, Chris. Peace. All right, I'll do a release. Thanks. 1, 2, 3.
Ron's on. Hey, good. Largemouth. Largemouth.
Got a largemouth. All right.
Nice.
Oh. Hold on a second. I'll grab him. He's right in the bottom. All right, got a largemouth.
Nice.
That's why Chris brought me here. Beauty. All right, let's do a release. That's pretty. All right, 1, 2, 3. Peace out.